bats. Holy Batman!
You're right, you home.
Now you got trouble at home. Trouble in paradise.
Holy bats, Batman!
An extremely good-looking law enforcement officer. As if
Whoa!
a female FBI.
Fuck me. What are you doing? I support guide dogs. Mate, I think you need a guide dog. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, you fucking oxymoron. You just went over an unbroken line, and when the other guy did it, he got up him. Oh, fucking dickhead. That's not actually a turn left after stopping.
This is all that I have.
Oh, mate. Are you fucking serious?
What's left of this
What's going on here? What's this guy doing? Is he for real? Really? Oh, bust straight through the red. Well done, you fucking idiot.
You dickhead!
Tell you what, shitbag titty fucker of the week.
I'm gonna make this place.
Should be cool because the first one sold out, and I had something on the Friday night anyway, but now it's become a Sunday night gig, which, oh!
getting fucking pissy with me. Is that clear?
Jeff. Yes,
Look,
Jeff.
good. Now just shut the fuck up! Yourself, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you, and fuck you as well.
It's a fucking red light, that dickhead. 916 ZAS. Lovely cream. Lovely cream. Nice giving way. Yeah, nice giving way.
What? Your indicator's not working, or?
No, they are just fucking dickheads.
What was the bite like cars? What was he thinking? Millimeters. Oh, that's just that bleeding out. How did it happen? Macca's, no plastic straws, no plastic cutlery. I mean, I don't know how you're going to be able to eat one of those hotcakes with some
was a red light.
tiger.
You have a red fucking arrow. You have a red arrow, you dickhead. Oh, that was a red light.
Names that match occupations.
I just out of high school worked at an accounting firm, and I had a lady ring for the president of the accounting firm, who was this really conservative.
That's a red arrow. Right, a red arrow.
In the news on Friday night, it started was the supermarket maker. And people were going, there's footage of people fighting. There was like all in brawls in Sydney. Like not brawls, but like having like,
Yeah, what are you doing, mate? What's going on?
But from all reports in regards to an athlete, in regards to someone that could do.
What the fuck are you doing running on the fucking road?
Get
off the fucking road! Yeah, I don't know why people. There's a whole footpath there. Does that mean I can drive on the footpath?
Holy the fuck! What is this shit?
Union Players Association. Phil Rothfield's coming up after 7 o'clock this morning. Big day for the ARLC Commission. Well, the Australian Commission. They have a big meeting this morning where they'll...
Give me a hard left. Their situation seemed utterly hopeless, and with damn good reason.
Denied.
Outdoors. The people have basically been told the risk of their safety. For what exactly? The freedom to choose? What about respecting our choice to stay at home when there is a global pandemic and people are being killed? Happy having you go into bat on my behalf. You're very passionate, and I wish you the best of luck in this fight and keep in touch. Lynn Connolly, President of the Australian Childcare Alliance New South Wales branch, is fired up.
A plan, and you're correct in sort of saying there are a lot of vulnerable people in Indigenous communities, and
really, just fucking steals that dickhead.
And I'm probably more aware of what's happening in the top end, but I know of travel and doing our utmost to keep this infection out of vulnerable communities.
Well, John, thank you so much. We really appreciate you chatting to us.
No problems, anytime.
I've seen it all. Our story's been hard.
That's a red arrow. It's not that fucking hard. 716 Zulu Charlie Victor. Oh, fucking legal U-turn and a half.
Challenge will kickstart you to achieving your goals. Starts February 3rd. You to achieving your goals. Starts February 3rd. To find out more, contact any of the 4 Anytime Fitness clubs in Cairns or visit anytimefitness.com.au. It's time to make the move to Anytime Fitness.
Do you think you'll be able to fit it all in the trailer, all the way up to the lodge?
You know those things are no cue for a fucking reason, you dickhead. You're gonna fucking try and wipe you out. What a fucking dick.